Are you unsure what to eat and what to avoid to get clear skin? A couple of months ago, I ran clear skin survey and I asked about 3,000 people who suffer from recurring skin problems, what their biggest challenges are. Number one question I got is, it's from Jennifer. Being on a restrictive diet and not knowing what is okay to eat. Currently, I'm not eating dairy and gluten and only eating white meat 1 meal a day. Any advice would be helpful. Thank you. That's a wonderful question. And congratulations, Jennifer, that you are taking the first step and you removed gluten and dairy. That's a huge step, right? So before I go in, that's what I did. Like in 2014, when steroids stopped working, I removed gluten and dairy for 3 weeks, and I struggled with seborrheic dermatitis for 3 decades of my life. That's why I used steroids, topical steroids. And just removing gluten and dairy for 3 weeks, that was powerful enough that I was able to get off steroids. So that has a lot of power in it. So that's really good for you. Another point I wanted to make was you're only eating white meat 1 meal a day. That's great in a way, but here's the thing. There's so many misinformation and confusion about the type of meat. The red meat is bad and eat white meat and eat this much protein. And type of meat is not nearly as important as quality of meat. Why is that? Because it is all about your immune system. When you have skin issues over and over again, when you use the meds, it goes away. When you do a little something, it goes away, keep coming back. That means that your immune system is overreactive. It's hyperreactive. So what immune system is reacting to when it's overreactive state? It's reacting to something it hasn't seen before, something foreign to your body. So why the conventional meat or removing red meat might be helpful is that the conventional meat that we eat these days, whether it's cow or pork, that is usually factory farmed. That means they're usually in confined place, so they can't move, they can't detox. And they usually are fed with GMO, genetically modified organisms, such as wheat and corn. So when they eat those, they accumulate in their body and they're very inflamed. So you eat that animal and your body hasn't seen that creature before, even though it's the pork and beef. It's not the same pork and beef that you ate, that our ancestors ate. So I would more focus on quality of meat than type of meat. You can eat fatty meat, you can eat red meat, you can eat white meat, you can eat oil meat, whatever meat you want, but focus on quality, especially meat. So I would really focus on getting organic meat and eat that would taste so much better. So eat those, and that way you can get satisfaction and they'll really reduce the skin problems. So the last point I want to make, if you want to heal your skin naturally, healing your skin is a lot more than eating clean. And I get this comment a lot, and I see this a lot amongst my clients. They eat so clean and they can't get clear skin. Why is that? Because eating healthy is the first step, really. But it's like you have to address 2 parts. Again, the immune system. You have to address the parts that what immune system overreacts to. So you're removing highly inflammatory food, you're removing the conventionally raised like factory farmed meat. You're removing gluten, you're removing dairy. That's why it works. That's one part. There's a whole other part that you have to calm your immune system down. When your immune system is calm and strong, your skin will clear and you are even able to eat gluten and dairy. And that's what I do. I eat gluten and dairy, not a lot, but I'm getting pastry over the weekends. I'm drinking latte, like I'm enjoying my life. It's not about suffering. And it's easy and natural. It really is. So I'm giving you too much because you're a beginner, which is awesome. And I created something that will help you heal to eat cheat sheet because you don't know what to eat and what to avoid. And eating and knowing what to eat and what to avoid will help you a lot and make your healing skin journey so much easier. So heal to eat cheat sheet for clear skin and flare belly. And this will help you to reduce your pain and smooth the digestion. So this will include a quick and easy guide of what to eat and what to avoid, and I'm offering this at pay what you want. So anybody can afford it because I'm really committed to help you. And visit hungryGopher.com to download top 3 Korean anti-inflammatory recipes for clear skin and gut health. And thanks for watching. Hopefully this was helpful to you, and I'll see you next time.